Hi there, welcome to another video of affordable email marketing. So today I'm going to show you how to connect Email Octopus with Amazon SES account. So let's see what are the things you need to do to connect Email Octopus with SES account. So I have got a fresh Email Octopus account and you need to have an AWS account as well. All right. So once you have these two accounts, you can follow these tutorials or you can watch AWS account creation process video in the description or on the I button. All right, so let's get started. First, you need to click on your profile name inside Email Octopus. Okay, click on it and then go to account settings, and here you will see AWS. All right, so you need to enter access key and secret access key and choose the region, SES region, and choose the speed, and then you will be able to send emails through Email Octopus. Okay, so we'll go to AWS. All right, so when you log in for the first time, you will see this kind of interface. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to search for IAM. We need to create a user inside IAM. So search for IAM, click on it. All right, and then we need to create users. Head over to users and click on add users. You can give it any name. I would give Email Octopus. Email Octopus. All right, and then click on next. After that, select attach policies directly, and here search for SES full. Okay, so you need to select this. All right, and then click on next. Now click on create user. Okay, so user is created. Now click on it, and now we need to create security credentials. So click on security credentials. If you scroll down, you will see access key. All right, and then you have to create access key. So we'll create access key. Click on this button and select application running outside AWS and click on next. So you don't need to add anything inside this tag value. Just click on create access key, and there you go, you have access key. Make sure you copy and paste these access key so that you can use it later. Once you click on done, you won't be able to see your access key again. You can create new one, but you won't be able to see your current access keys once you have click on done. All right, so I will save these access key. All right, so I have saved these access keys, so let's click on done. All right, now you need to go back to your Email Octopus account. All right, so we are in the Email Octopus account, so we need to paste our access key. Let me do that quickly. So now it is asking for SES region, so we'll go to our AWS account and we'll see the region. So search for SES, click on it, and you will be able to see your AWS account region. So I will select the same and Virginia. All right, so this is our account, and let's select and Virginia. All right, and select the speed. So I will leave it as it is, send emails as quickly as okay, and then click on save. All right, so now you can send emails. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.